Hello everyone, welcome to the second part of the GDevelop 5 tutorial on creating a multiplayer platformer. So if you haven't seen the first part, I would advise you check that out. The link is in the description below. So open GDevelop 5, preview the scene. So in this tutorial, that's the second part, I will be showing you how to add in the score and the health bar for both players. So there we go, that's the health bar. So whichever player is in collision with a coin, it adds it to the player's coins and score. So close that, minimize, and open GDevelop. So this is exactly where I stopped in my last tutorial. Here we go. So first of all, let's add in an object. Let's add an object sprite. Okay. If you're wondering why this is a bit different, it's because this is an updated version of GDevelop 5. It's the beta 80. So let's add an animation. Add assets, health bar frame. Health bar frame. Since this is our player one, let's add one in front of that. Apply. Put this into the scene. Here we go. Plays out here. Layer GUI. Let's add in a health bar. Add an object. Add an animation. Add here we go. Health bar. Sorry. Health bar 1. Apply. Put this into the scene. I think I'll just place this here. Okay. Layer GUI. Now let's add in our health bar for player 2. So health bar frame, duplicate that, rename that health bar frame 2, do the same for your health bar 1, duplicate, rename that health bar 2. Let's pull in our health bar 2 into the scene, layer, GUI, health bar 2, pull this into the scene, layer, GUI, okay, y-axis, 31, okay, here we go. Let's add in the score. So just duplicate the score. That becomes score 2. Put this into the scene. Let's place this here. Do the same for the coin icon. Let's put that into the scene. Let's place that here. Layer GUI. Do the same for the score. Layer GUI. Okay, now we're done with our whole layout. So let's go to our events. Okay, open up your player 1 group and let's fill in some events. At the bottom, add an empty event. Okay. Now, at the beginning of the scene, it sets the player 1 health scene variable to 100, and it places the health bar 1 at the health bar frame 1 X and Y position. So when the player 1 hitbox is in collision with the enemy, the player 1 hitbox is on the floor, the number of the current animation of enemy is set to 0. The trigger warns that it subtracts 1 from the scene variable player health. It also simulates a jump key press for player 1 hitbox. So when the scene variable player 1 health is less than or set to 0, it changes to the scene. Okay, I don't need that now. So just delete it and okay, sorry, delete this and this and this. Okay, now it does the scene variable. This is the scale on the x-axis. So it scales the health bar 1 according to our scene variable player 1 health. Okay, so now we just need to copy this for player 2. So select that, hold down shift, click, select, right click, copy, and let's paste that for player 2. There we go. Here's the, so open an empty event, set this, Control V. Now, okay, this is a bit mixed up. This is not supposed to be here, and here. Okay, that is okay. At the beginning of the scene, it said the scene variable player 2 health, 200 health bar. It positions the health bar. Sorry, 2 positions the health bar 2 at the health bar frame 2 x-axis and the health bar frame 2 y-axis. Okay, so player 2 hitbox change that to 2 is in collision with enemy. Player 2 hitbox is on the floor. Number of current animation of enemy set to 0. Trigger 1, subtract 10 from player 2 health. Simulate a jump key press for player 2 hitbox. And let's change the variable to player 2 health, since that is the variable, and the scale to health bar 2. So preview that. Okay, now here we go. As you can see, it works perfectly. It's subtracting from our player, so we need to add in the score. And I also don't want it to scale from this side, but rather from this side. So close that. New scene. Scroll to your health bar to edit object. Edit points. Let's edit the point. So we need to move the point all the way to this side. Here we go. Y-axis 0. Close that and apply. Do the same for the health bar frame 2. Edit object. Edit points. Move it all the way to this side and close. Apply. Okay. Now just place that. Here we go. Sorry. On the y-axis, so I want it to be placed on the same axis. So y 31, 31. So here we go. Now we just need to fill in our events for score. Using events. Let's go to our GUI management. Open that up. Here it is. Add an empty event below that. Copy this and paste it. So let's open that up. So modify the text of a text object. Text score 2 set to I don't need this in front of it. So let's clear that out and to string to the scene variable score 2. Okay. I also don't need this for my first one, so clear that out. And okay. So we go back to new scene event. Let's go into our object management. Now here, so copy, select this, hold down shift. Let's copy that, sorry. Copy. Now let's add an empty event. There we go. Add an empty event and paste that. Paste. Okay, this is not placed in the right order. Just set this first, second. So player 2 hitbox is in collision with coin. It changes the opacity of coin to 254. It plays the sound coin wave. It adds 100 to scene variable score 2. Here it is. Here's a scene variable score 2. So it adds 100 to it, and I think that should work properly. So preview this. Now here we go. Here's my player 2. Sorry. Here's my player 1 and my player 2. As you can see, this is the health bar. Here we go, and it works perfectly. The player's in collision with coin, and it adds the coin, and the health bar 2 works perfectly. So that's it.